Hi everyone, and here we're going to do a art tutorial on how to take these lovely little pictures that I've taken, and this is a close-up of this, and I want to see how they're going to look in my living room. So let's take these two pictures and see how they're going to look. I don't like the orange, so I'm just going to change it to pink. And this one, I'm going to move over here because that wall's very boring. And let's make that blue. Yeah, I like that. And that's my living room with my cool photographs that I took from my garden. I hope that helped, and we'll see you next time. And quick to draw.